Hi everyone, let's today discuss like what happens when you send a WhatsApp message through your mobile application, right? So you have your mobile phone, right? And then you open your WhatsApp and then there is a text box where you type hello and there is a send button, right? When you click on the send button as we saw in the last video, right? Your mobile phone will say to a DNS server asking for, okay, I need to send a message via WhatsApp, so give me the address of the WhatsApp computer or WhatsApp server. So your DNS will send the address of the WhatsApp, right? And then now since your mobile application has the address of the WhatsApp, it will hit the WhatsApp computer directly, right? Consider this as the WhatsApp computer. For for just fun, right? We can assume that this WhatsApp computer is in California, right? They have their headquarters there, I think. So let's assume that this is a computer located in California, right? So now you have hit the WhatsApp computer directly and said, hey, I want to send a message hello to my friend, right? So the first thing WhatsApp, what it does is it takes your message, small message, and then it applies a lock on top of it, right? So that the message cannot be read by anyone else but only by your friend's WhatsApp mobile application. So when it locks it, it kind of generates a key to it and it will share the key to your friend's application or your friend's mobile phone, so that when the message packet, the small packet, reaches your friend's application, the mobile also has the key for this lock, so that it can unlock the lock and then deliver the message to the WhatsApp. So your friend will see something that, okay, you have received a message hello, right? So this part of locking your message is called as encryption. This is the technical term used in computer science for locking and unlocking it. There are various ways to do it. So one normal way is to lock it using a particular key and then sharing a different key as the key for that lock, so that only that key can be used so that it matches and unlocks it. Similar to a number lock in a suitcase, not exactly, but you can assume that, right? Only one who knows the number can unlock it. Not a physical lock, but it's still like you have a number, not an actual key but a number which serves as a key. So similar to that, it uses some digital methods to make sure that it locks here and it unlocks here. So this is an important concept in computer science which is used to ensure the security or the privacy of the messages, right? So this is important. And another thing which we can focus here is that, so we saw that the WhatsApp computer is located in California, right? So the message to travel via internet from India to California and from California to your friend again in India might be costly and it will be slow. But we all know that WhatsApp is super fast and it is free, right? So how they make it happen is that WhatsApp will have a similar set of computers which will be able to serve your request in different locations. For example, WhatsApp might or already have a computer, right, in say Mumbai. So now how will you know that instead of hitting the WhatsApp in California, it is better to hit the WhatsApp in Mumbai? and then from Mumbai go to again your friend computer. This makes more sense, right? If you are sending a courier from say Chennai to Mumbai or Chennai to Delhi, it's better to go via Mumbai and Delhi instead of going from Chennai to California and California back to Delhi, right? So how your system will know that hey, it's better to send it to the Mumbai guy rather than sending all the way to California and from there to Delhi, right? So here also DNS plays a role. So we know that DNS has a map, right? For WhatsApp, it is going to have an address. That is what we saw that, right? Address. But now we are introducing a concept where for particular domain WhatsApp, right, there can be multiple addresses, right? Address 1, address 2, address 3, and so on. So all these addresses will have the information saying that okay, this address belongs to WhatsApp of California. This address belongs to WhatsApp of Mumbai, right? So when you hit the DNS server, based on the logic written, it will give you back the address which will be good for you or which will be cheaper and or better in terms of load balancing and all those things. It will say okay, this route is better, right? Google Maps does that, right? When you go from a particular place to another, it load balances you and sends you in a different route. Sometimes it sends you in a different route because it's faster, it is traffic congestion and all those things it sees, right? Like a similar approach, DNS will tell you okay, take this address, this guy will be able to serve you better, right? So that instead of address 1 of California, address 2 of Mumbai comes back, right? And now instead of going there, we follow this path. Again, it goes here. WhatsApp puts the important guy, which is the lock, and then sends the key and the message to your friend again in Delhi. And the WhatsApp application on his or her phone will be able to unlock and deliver the message to your friend. Is it clear? Okay. I'm just looking if I can cover anything. Okay, another important concept which we can cover is we saw that there is a computer in California, there is a computer in Mumbai, right? Also, bringing back the same concept, if there is only one computer, we know that WhatsApp is free and there are probably millions of users using even within a particular country, say in India, and still WhatsApp never crashes or never delays your message, right? So there cannot be one computer. So what WhatsApp does behind the scene is, so within this one computer there are a lot of computers similar to one another or little bit different based on their architecture sitting, right? So once your DNS says go to this address and your mobile application comes to this address, there is a guy sitting within the WhatsApp main computer, for example, who will say, okay, within this 6 computer, who is free, right? And then he or she will make that request available to one of those systems, right? For example, this is like a small box, so I'll make it like this just to make it a little bit clear. So let's say this Mumbai station has 3 computers of WhatsApp. Let's put a box around it, right? And there is a admin guy, for example, sitting in front desk guy. So he gets the request, okay, he sees who of the 3 big guys are free, and then he will send your request to one of those guys. So WhatsApp behind the scenes will have probably hundreds of computers. That is why they are able to achieve that much, you know, fast and reliability. So one of those computers will serve that request, and from there it goes to the outside and then it will reach your friend's computer. So having different computers in different location, geolocation, is also an approach, and also within a particular location having multiple computers is also an approach to make sure the requests are served fast. So this kind of having multiple computers within a particular system is probably called as distributed system. So generally what this term means is that, okay, you have a feeling that WhatsApp is a single guy, but behind the scenes a lot of computers or a lot of guys are making it work, right? So this term is generally called distributed system, and the admin guy who actually balances the load, this guy is called load balancer. I know I'm going a lot of things in detail, so I'll stop it for now. Let me know if you guys have any comments. But yeah, the main guys here are the encryption, which gives you the security that no one else or even WhatsApp can read your message because it applies the lock at first. Only the intended receiver who has the key can read it. And another thing is, even though WhatsApp has its headquarters in Cali, it doesn't mean that they have their computer only or the server only there. They have it all over the place. That is why they are able to achieve that speed and reliability. You never see WhatsApp messages getting lost, you never see WhatsApp getting crashed, right? And also within a particular location, a big data center will be there, and within there a lot of computers will be there. That is why even if you send from India to India, millions of users within India are sending from India to India. None of the messages crashes, none of the messages get lost, none of the messages loses its security concern. So they make sure that a lot of computers or a lot of processing power is available so that they are able to achieve that reliability. So having multiple systems but giving you the feel that, hey, I am a single guy, I am WhatsApp to you, but behind the scenes I have a lot of guys working for me from computers point of view. That is usually called distributed systems, right? Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.